pull up in them big bodies. Them chains on, that's that Illuminati. So much money, you gon' think they signed me. But we just out here independent grinding.
Okay, well, I wanted to do my brake lines today, but I got the wrong brake fluid, so I have to wait till tomorrow because it's a Sunday for Ford to open so I can go get the brake fluid I need. Instead today, I'm gonna be installing some resistors. So if you guys install LED turn signals, or you have the same thing I have to, which is a running light turn signal switchback, it doesn't pull enough power from the battery to register as there's a bulb in there. So the whole truck thinks that there's no bulb in there, or your original like OEM bulb is out, so it blinks quick. That's its way of telling you that, you know, your bulb's out, or else you'd never really know. So they make these little guys, which are resistors, and they'll do something with the power or whatever, so that it makes your truck think that your bulbs are working and it's pulling enough power, and then you can have normal flashing turn signals. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. It's super easy. If some of you guys haven't ever done electrical stuff, this is really some of the easiest things you can possibly do. It may seem a little daunting because you have to like tap in wires to other wires, but really they make quick connects for it. It's really unlikely you'll mess up. It's that easy. First thing we're gonna do, just to make this a little easier on ourselves, is unbolt the headlights and pull them out a little bit so we have some room to work. That way we're not like fussing in here and trying to, you know, do some stuff in tight spaces. It's unnecessary. It's 4 bolts, comes out real easy. We'll have a lot more room to work with. Okay, don't mind this mess right here. So this is our turn signal bulb slash daytime running light, and we already know, because we wired the cab lights in to the daytime running lights, that this brown wire right here is for daytime running lights. So this green wire is the cab lights wire, and we just wired it straight into our daytime running lights. Easy as that. Now the black wire right here is ground. Black's always ground, which leaves this green wire to be the turn signal wire. So now that we've identified our ground and our turn signal wire, we can simply go over here and grab one of these suckers. Okay, so now we've got one resistor and one quick connect. So we're gonna go ahead and take one side of the resistor and get the quick connect and tap it into, we'll do our ground first. So we'll tap one side of this resistor into the ground. That was really easy. We just got one side of our resistor tapped into our ground. Now we do the exact same thing, tap the other side into this green wire, which is our turn signal. Okay, easy as that. Resistor, one end tapped into the turn signal, one end tapped to the ground. Now we'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, we got the front end back together. Got resistors in both headlights. Now we just see if it works. See, we got our lights on, turn signals. You can already tell from the arrow that it's blinking much slower at a normal rate instead of just going ba ba ba. If you don't have resistors in here, they'll be blinking twice as fast. And no one wants that because it looks weird and everyone's gonna think that you have a light out or something even though you don't. And all you need for this is just this little pack of resistors. I even have 2 extra ones. I don't have to do the rear, but if you do have to do the rear, this came with 4 and it comes with all the connections in it. $15 on Amazon, super easy. We'll go ahead and make sure the other side works as well. Yep, perfect. That's it really, super, super easy. Took maybe 30 minutes and I had to set up the camera and film and everything like that. I probably could have done it in 15 flat without filming it or anything. It was really, really easy. I had no difficulties. The one thing you just have to make sure is that you're tapping into your ground, which is usually black, and you're tapping into your turn signal. Now your daytime running light. And it'll be simple as that. I have LED tail lights and I think they come with resistors already in them because they're not affecting anything. So I didn't have to do anything about my tail lights. They flashed perfectly already, but I did have to put resistors for the front. Now they flash nice and simple. Other than that short video, simple as that. A lot of people probably don't understand why their turn signals are flashing so fast, or if you look on the forums or whatever online, they tell you, oh, you just need resistors, and they're like, what? I don't know what I'm doing. So hopefully this helps some people. Really easy. Hopefully this weather clears up soon so I can actually go under the truck and do some stuff I really, really need to do. But other than that, video is short, sweet, to the point, and I'll see y'all next time.
Peace. Why they wanna be me? It's not what it seems. Running to the bank, putting wet on my Achilles. We been thumbing blue faces like they Washingtons. On a run from MIA up to Washington.